Hi friends, in the last 7-8 months we happened to purchase 3 different IKEA tables for different usage, and in this video I'm going to compare those 3 tables, which are the Malm, Lack Captain and the Trotten tables. So this is the Malm table, the assembly video of which I've already posted in my channel. So if you have not watched the assembly video, you can click the link above to watch the full video. This was bought for my son for work from home. And this is the Lack Captain table with the height adjustable Olo legs. And this size of this table is 140 by 60 centimeters. Also I have made an assembly video of this table too. So you can see the assembly video by clicking the link above. So this is the Trotten table with the A-shaped legs. Again, I have done the full assembly of this table and I have uploaded as a video, so you can click the link above to watch the assembly video. So now that you have seen all the 3 tables, let me start with the comparison of the 3. I'll briefly explain the different features and variants of all the 3 tables one by one. So let me first start with the Malm table. The Malm table is essentially an office table, but it can also be used as a work from home table. The Malm is available in 3 colors: white, black brown and brown stained ash veneer. It is available in only one size, 140 by 65 by 73 centimeters height. Now regarding ease of assembly, the Malm comes in 2 heavy packages. It has got numerous parts, has some sub assemblies, and hence the entire process can be quite long and tricky at some places, but it can be done without difficulty by following the instructions step by step. So this table is very strong and sturdy, as you can see it. It does not have legs. There's one side panel and there is one drawer unit, and the drawer unit can be placed either on the right side or on the left side, and also the height cannot be adjusted. The height is fixed. The table can be kept close to the wall or in the center. Also, it has a rack under the table for cables and wires. The Malm tabletop is ideal for keeping laptops, books, files, stationery, etc. because it's quite wide. Unlike the Malm, this Lack Captain tabletop is available in many colors: white, black brown, light green, dark grey. And the tabletop is also available in different sizes: 120 by 60 centimeters, 140 by 60 centimeters and 200 by 60 centimeters. Lack Captain is customizable with different legs: the Olo, Adels, Krill, truzzles like mid-back, till slag, narspel or drawers of different colors. Like if you see, this Lack Captain is made with Olo height adjustable legs. Again, this Lack Captain is very easy to assemble and disassemble. Unlike the Malm, Lack Captain is lightweight and can be moved around very easily. Lack Captain has versatile uses. It can be used just as a general table, work or study table, as a dining table, swing table, dressing table when customized with Alex drawers. Now the Trotten is a table combination available with different legs. Trotten is available in different colors: white and brown veneer. The tabletop and leg assembly are available both as a combined pack and separately. You also get the height adjustable legs. Again, the Trotten is very easy to assemble. The standard height Trotten table can be put to versatile use, like as a general table, office or work table, study table or dining table. Like Malm, Trotten is also a very strong and sturdy table, though it doesn't look like that, but it is very sturdy. Trotten has got a very attractive and appealing looks. This Trotten table can be combined with other Trotten products like the Trotten shelves, Trotten drawer, the Trotten notice board. So I hope you like this comparison video. I'm sure those of you who want to buy a table for yourself based on your requirement, this comparison based on different features of all these three tables will help you in making a proper decision. In case you like the video, please share your thoughts in the comment section, and also you can support me through Patreon, or you can buy super thanks so that I can sustain my channel and I can do more interesting and useful videos like these. Keep watching. Thank you for your support, and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye till then.